Hey there, YouTubers. Tonight I'm going to show you a really easy way to add a application to your startup folder. So, for example, I had a person or user at work that needed to use the calculator on a daily basis and said, "Hey, why do I got to keep opening this up every day? Can't you just make it open up on its own? Because I'm going to open it up anyways and use it all day long." So I said, "Sure, why not?" So the easiest way to do that is in the search, you can either hit Windows flag R and this will open up, or you can just type in the search the word run and then hit enter and this will pop up. Then you're just going to type shell : startup and then this folder will show. Yours will probably be empty. Then you're going to do the same thing, except this time you're going to, when you type in run, you're going to type in shell : appsfolder. It's already there for me, so I'll just click on it. So you're going to type shell : appsfolder, and then you're going to hit enter, and then this is going to pop up. You're going to have a bunch of applications in there, and just find the application you're looking to use and then drag and drop it. And the next time you log off and log back in, or you restart your computer, that application is going to run. Alright, I hope this helps someone. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me below, and have a good night.